What's the meaning of chivalry? Chivalry. Chivalry.
Chivalry. Chivalry. Chivalry is a term that originally referred to the medieval knightly system of behaviors, including honor, bravery, and gallantry toward women. In modern times, it has come to represent courteous and respectful behavior toward others, particularly women. It emphasizes the importance of treating others with respect and generosity, often in the context of romantic or courtship relationships. This concept values qualities such as honor, loyalty, and courtesy, encouraging individuals to act with kindness and consideration toward others.